Sal, thank you for the check that you sent us. We can actually go support another small business in town. So we're going to go to our local feed stores and local growers, and we're going to use this check, and we're going to buy more supply. All right. So this is our local seed shop. So I'm going to come here and support half of the check here. And then I'm going to take half of the check and buy from some wholesalers that ASAP referred me to as well. All right.
Okay, there's supposed to be 3.
You gonna help me, Lucy? Make sure y'all come by and stop the local garden center in Franklin. Okay, so we at the field. I'm about to transplant everything now with the hoe. All right, guys. So I got this row planted and knocked out. Couple rows over here knocked out. Row over here knocked out. Knocked out. Support ASAP. These type of nonprofit organizations help small farms like me thrive and continue to help the community out. It's been a lot of battles, y'all. We had pandemics. We had a lot of floods this year. People like ASAP are keeping the farms open. They're keeping supporting the communities and keeping supporting the small families. We love you, ASAP. One love.